Welcome to today's English phonetics class. Today, our discussion topic is English plosives. Plosives are called plosives since they are pronounced with plosion. The principles of plosion are applied here. That is, from closure, compressed ear, sudden release of the ear, that is plosion. Plosives have the following principles. 1. Tight touch by the articulators to make a stricture. 2. The compressed ear by the stricture. 3. Sudden or abrupt separation of the articulators. Now, English plosives. English has 6 plosive consonants. They are pa, ba, ta, da, ka and ga. According to the place of articulation, pa, ba are bilabial, that is, 2 lips are used to make the sounds. Ta, da are alveolar, that is, the tip of the tongue and alveolar ridge are used to make the sounds. And ka, ga. Ka, ga are velar, that is, the back of the tongue and velum are used to make the sounds. Now, I'm going to show you how they are pronounced. In the animation, we see that for pa, ba, the 2 lips touch each other tightly. The air is compressed and the lips separate suddenly. As a result, air passes out with plosion. Pa, ba, pa, ba. For ta, da, we see in the animation that the tip of the tongue and alveolar ridge touch each other tightly. The air is compressed and the organs separate suddenly. As a result, air passes out with plosion. Ta, da, ta, da. For ka, ga, we see in the animation that the back of the tongue and velum touch each other tightly. The air is compressed and the organs separate suddenly. As a result, air passes out with plosion. Ka, ga, ka, ga. Now, I am going to discuss the other characteristics of plosives. The first, voicing. Voicing is the vibration of the vocal cords. We see in the animation for pa, ba, pa is voiceless since the vocal cords do not vibrate significantly. Ba is voiced since the vocal cords vibrate significantly. We can feel the vibration when we touch our throat with the fingers. Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga. Okay, of the 6 plosives, pa, ta, ka are voiceless. On the other hand, the remaining ba, da, ga are voiced since the vocal cords vibrate significantly in pronouncing them. Now, 2. Aspiration. Aspiration is the letting out extra puff of air. Of the six plosives, pa, ta, ka are aspirated when they occur at the beginning of a word like pain, take, king, etc. On the other hand, ba, da, ga are not aspirated like pa, ta, ka. Now, I'm going to show you how to write them. Pa, ba, ta, da, ka, and ga. Unlike the English alphabets, remember that the phonetical symbols always have one fixed pronunciation and one fixed written symbol. For example, we can write English alphabet like T in at least two different forms. In the case of phonetic symbols, the phonetic symbols always have one fixed pronunciation and one fixed written symbol. That is all about English plosives in my discussion.